Everyone, welcome to SM Education. This is Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Coming to this video, in this video I am going to explain the concepts on percentages and also some of the problems related to percentages. So without any further delay, let's get started. Percentages. The word derives its meaning. Per means upon and the cent means 100. That means upon 100 is the percentages. When a given quantity wants to find the percentage means we need to divide that given quantity upon 100 with the 100. So that will give the answer as percentage. Mostly percentages are used in comparing numerical data and its information. For example, if student A got 20 marks out of 30 and the student B got 40 marks out of 70, then in order to find who has performed better in the examination means we have to calculate the percentage of these two students separately. Suppose let's calculate the percentage of student A. This will gives you 20 by 100 into 100. As we are calculating percentage, 100 must be important, and 20 by 100 this will gives you 66.66 percentage. And when calculating the percentage of B, student B, this will gives you 40 by 70 into 100 and this will gives you 57.14%. Now by clearly observing the student A percentage and student B percentage, we can tell definitely that student A performed very well in the examination based on the given data. So like this way, in order to compare the data, we have to use percentage, and percentage plays a vital role in competitive examinations. There is another concept known as percentage change. Percentage change. Firstly, moving on to the percentage change, we need to know one more matter, that is nothing but when a measured quantity is changed means there are two types. Those are nothing but first one is absolute value change and second one is percentage change. Basically, we have more problems on the concept of percentage change. So this is the mainly important and mainly used in the concept on percentages. Coming to the absolute value change, this is nothing but absolute value. Suppose take an example. In a year, the sales goes to 2500 rupees and after 2 years, the sales goes to 2600 rupees. Find out the absolute value change means we need to subtract the final year minus initial year. That is nothing but final value minus initial value. This gives you the absolute value change. Absolute value change. This is just a number, and in this absolute value change we do not consider 100. That means we do not multiply with 100 because it is not a percentage. So there is no percentage value added in this absolute value change. Coming to the percentage change, there is separate formula in the percentage change. Percentage change is derived as absolute value change upon initial value into 100. This is the percentage change formula. For example, let's take an example. If the population grew up to 20 lakhs to 22 lakhs. If the population grew from 20 lakhs to 22 lakhs in the 2 years, find the percentage change means firstly we have to calculate the absolute value change. Absolute value change means final minus initial. What is the final value? 22. Minus what is the initial value? 20. Upon initial value. We have to consider the initial value. What is the initial value here? It is 20 is the initial value. So upon 20 into 100. This will gives you percentage change. That means 2 by 20 into 100. 2 gets cancelled, then 10. So 10% is the percentage change. So this is all the concepts of the percentage. Let's solve some problems so that we can get idea. Find the value of 20%. See, wherever percentage comes means we have to substitute 1 by 100 in the place of percentage. So by this 20%, we have to substitute 1 by 100. 1 by 100. This gives you the value as 0.2. So this is the value of 20%. 0.3. Okay. Now find the value of 20% of 30. In mathematical terms, of represents multiplication. So in the place of, you need to substitute multiplication there. So 20%, percent means 1 by 100. Of means we need to multiply into 30. This gives you 6 as our value. So value of 20% of 30 is 6. Similarly, find the value of 40% of 10. 40% 1 by 100 of means multiplication. We need to multiply into 10. This gives you the value as 4. Therefore, the value of 40% of 10 is 4. Let's solve another problem. If 25% of a number is 75, 25% of means we need to multiply. Number, we don't know the value of number. Number is, in mathematical terms, is represents equal to. So in the place of is, we have to substitute equal to here. Is 75. So by this condition, let's calculate the n value. N value gives 25, 400. When 4 goes here, this will give you 300. So the value of number is 300. Now, next condition. What they are asking? We have to find the 45% of that number. What is the number? 300. Into, of means into. We have to multiply. Of 300. This is the answer. So, 45% of that number is 135. If 65% of x is 13% of y, 65% of x is 13% of y. Let's calculate this one. 100 gets cancelled and 13, 5, 65. So finally we will get 5x equal to y. They given y equal to 2000. So let's substitute y value here. 2000 and x becomes 400. What they are asking to find? They are asking to find the value of x. So the value of x is 400. C option is the right answer. Next one. 50% of A percent of B is 75% of B percent of C. 50% of A percent of B is 75% of B percent of C. Now which of the following is C? So we need to find the C value here. All hundreds will be cancelled and remaining is 50AB, 75BC. BB gets cancelled here. Remaining will be 50A equal to 75C. 5 table, 5 tens, 5 15s, 5 twos, 5 threes. So 2A equal to 3C. From this C value, 2A by 3. This will give you 0.66A. 0.66A. So answer is option B, 0.667A. We have to calculate the C value in terms of A. So this is the answer. B option is the correct one. Next one. If the price of sugar is increased, by 25%, then what is the percentage of consumption decrease? See, these types of problems have some formula. Those are nothing but if the price value increased and similarly if the consumption is decreased, means we have to use R by 100 plus 100 into 100 formula. This is the formula that have to be used. Suppose if they ask like this, if price value is decreased and the consumption is increased, means we need to use this formula, R by 100 minus R into 100. These are the two formulas. From the above question, we have to choose this formula because price value has increased. So we have to choose this one, and if we substitute in the place of R by 25%, 25 by 100 plus 25 into 100. This will give you 25 by 125 into 100. 5 5s, 5 2s and 5 5s, 25 4s. So 20%. So consumption decreased by 20%. So option C is the answer, 20%. Next one. A's salary is 30% more than B's salary. Then what percentage of B's salary is less than A's salary? For these kinds of problem, we have to assume. Let's assume B's salary. Let's assume B's salary as 100. Let's assume that B's salary is 100. Next, A's salary. What they are telling, A's salary is 30% more than B's salary. 30% more means B's salary plus 30. So the A salaries become 130. What they are asking, then what percentage of B's salary is less than A's salary? For this, we have to calculate the percentage change between A and B. What is the formula for percentage change? Absolute value change by initial value into 100. So, absolute value change is 30. 130 minus 100. This will give you 30. What is the initial value? What they are asking, B's salary is less than A's salary. They are comparing with A's salary. So, we have to choose this one as our initial value into 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled, and so when we calculate, this will give you 23% approximately. So, answer option B is the answer, 23%. Next one. The population of a town is 10,000. Every year it is increased by 20%. The population of the town after 2 years will be. Firstly, the population is 10,000. The population is 10,000. Every year it is increased by 20%. Increased by 20% means we have to multiply with 20%. So this will give you the 2000, and this value should be added to the original population 10,000 plus 2000. This will give you 12,000. This is the increment value. So this is the first year. Suppose let's take this as the present population. This is first year population. First year population is 12,000. Now we need to calculate the population of the town after 2 years. So again we need to increment this one with 20%. This gives you 2042, and again we need to add that one, 14,400. So this is the population of the town after 2 years. So answer option C is the answer, 14,400. Next one. The population of a village for the first year is 10,000. After completion of second year, it is 10,525. 10, 5, 2, 5. Second year. What is the percentage of population increased as compared to first year? Here they compared with the first year. We need to calculate the percentage change. Absolute value change by initial or compared value. Initial or compared value into 100. By first year, they compared with the first year, so we have to take the first year as the initial value upon first year 10,000 into 100. By cancel this, we get the answer as 5.25. So therefore percentage change is 5.25. Answer option B, 5.25. Next one. 40% of 70% of the number is 336. 40% of means we have to multiply. 70% of the number. We don't know that number, so let the number be n. Is means we have to substitute in the place of is, we have to substitute equal to. Is 336. Let's solve this condition. This gives you 28 by 100 and 336. N value 336 into 100 by 28. This will cancel in at 12, 28 12s. 28 12s. So the n value will be 1200. So the number is 1200. So the answer option is 1200 is wrong answer. Option A is wrong answer. What they are asking? They are asking 1/3 of that number. We have to read the question at least twice. So be careful while you are answering the options. They are asking 1/3 of that number. They are not asking the n value. So 1/3 means we have to divide that number with 3. This will give you the answer 400. So answer option B is the answer. 400 is the option. All the remaining options are wrong. Next one. In a class, girls are 44. Strength of girls are 44, which is 55% of the total number of students. How many boys are there in the class? Okay. Girls are 44, which is 55% of total number of students. Let the total number of students be x. Let the total number of students be x, so the x. 55% of total number of students is 44. They given 44. Okay. Let's calculate this one. 11 5s, 11 4s. This will give you 4 into 100 by 5, 80. Therefore, total, how many, what's the x value? X value is total number of students. So the total number of students present is 50. In that, girls' strength is 44. Girls' strength is 44. They are asking to find the boys' strength. So boys' strength will be subtracting the total minus girls gives you the boys' strength 6 and 36. So 36 is the answer. Boys, number of boys in the class are 36 members. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.